How's it going? How's everybody doing? It is a rainy Tuesday afternoon, and we're getting ready to do another session. We've got one of the 50 million cash riches, one of the $50,000 payday, two of the $250,000 frenzy, two of the cash back, two deluxe dollars, and 5 of the payday multiplier. Let's get started. If you guys don't already, make sure you like and subscribe. Posting content daily. Looking for a 15 or a 19. On this ticket, we're looking for a match win and then multiply the prize. Pretty self-explanatory. No dice on that one. 18 and 25. No dice. 12 or 14. We got a 12. Oh, it's actually 12 or 4, and we got a 12 and a 4. Alright, multiplier under the 12 is a 1. Multiplier under the 4 is a 1. 4, 2, and 2 for $4. Hey, we will take it. We got 2 more of those. Looking for an 8 and a 15. No dice there. On to our last one. Looking for an 8 and a 19. And no dice. Hey, we got $4 back on that. Our deluxe dollars. Looking for a match win. That hashtag and the infinity symbol for all 15 prizes, and that money bag in the bonus box. Coins, nothing on the bonus. 21, 23, and 24. Never like it when numbers are so close together. I always feel like the odds are against me on those, but there's no rhyme or reason to my theory of that. It's just how I feel. All right, last row. 22, 29, 16, 2, and 25. No dice there. And no money bag. 4, 7, 26, and 15. And the last row. 22, 12, 18, 8, and a 14. No dice on our deluxe dollars today. Moving right on to cash back. Looking for a match win, a 5x or a 10x, and then on the bonus side, on the back side, looking for a coin, a money bag, stack of cash, or a safe. $12, $8, $15, $24. 9, 6, 16, 21. Can we get it with the last spot? And a 1 on the last spot. Let's see if we've got anything for the bonus. Banana. Grapes. Crown. And a clover. No dice on our first cash back. 19, 9, 2, and a 7. Last row, 16, 6, 14, 11, 24. No dice there. Pot of gold, a lemon, a melon, and a piggy bank. Nothing on cash back. We are not out to a good start today. Let's see if our big tickets pay off. $250,000 frenzy. Looking for that match win. The gold bar for $100 instantly, and the cash symbol for all 20 prizes, and that money bag on the backside for the bonus. 39, 50, 37, 21, and 14. And last row, we've got 27, 13, 41, 28, and a 9. So nothing on the front side. Can we find a money bag? We've got a money bag. Can we get multiple money bags? Let's go. And just a single money bag. Can we see some big zeros? That would be nice. Hey, 20 bucks. I will take that. That's not a bad win. Make some of our money back today. 31, 1, 47, 22, and 25. And last row, 32, 23, 16, 49, and 34. Nothing on the front side. Can we get another money bag? Bell, nugget, hat, horseshoe, clover, chest, ring, wishbone, keys, and is it gonna happen? No, not today. Yeah, we got 20 bucks. Broke even on that set. On to our $50,000 payday. We're looking for a match win, a 2, 5, 10, 20, or 50x symbol. And that piggy bank, pot of gold, and the diamond in the bonus box. Crown, sunglasses, and an apple. 22, 36, 1, 51, 7, 18, 9, and 8. And our last row, 45, 33, 41, 6, and 11. No dice on $50,000 payday. On to 50 million cash riches. Same deal. We are looking for a match win, a 2, 5, 10, 20, 50, or 100x. And we need to find at least 2 diamonds up top in the bonus. Bell, cherries, bar, and it looks like we're just going to find that 1 diamond today. All right. 21, 39, 11, 30, 31, 8, 12, 6, 44, and 49. Let's see if we can get a match win with some big zeros. Let's go. Alright, last row, 34, 36, 43, 15, and 33. No dice on our 50 million cash riches either. That was a little bit of a brutal session, but I still had fun. We got that $4 win on the Payday multiplier, and then that $20 money bag on our $250,000 cash frenzy. Overall, it was about as good as the weather is currently. It's dark and gloomy, but we'll be back tomorrow for another session. So hopefully y'all have a great lucky rest of your day, and you guys can find the big wins.